Hey, so I want to make this video to show you another way to uh, install press studs into your clothes without the need for hammering or an expensive specialty tool to do it. So what I have here is just the tools that come in a pack of press studs that you can use to put them in your clothing. In the first place, when I used them, I found you had to hammer them in quite hard, ridiculously hard. A couple of times with my coordination, I slipped and hit my thumb and really injured myself. So I thought there has to be another way to do it. I tried to find the specialty tool, but it was expensive. Um, and so after a little while of just thinking, it came to me that I might be able to put these into my shirt using a bench vise that I have in my workshop and the little tool that came in the pack of press studs. So this way I can do it without any hammering, without any risk of injuring myself. So what I do is, of course, you just follow the instructions, put the press stud through your material, put the little die on the back of the press stud, and then get the little cylindrical tool and put the point into the part of the press stud where it pushes the metal down and holds the stud in place. And then I wedge the other end against the vise here. And then I slowly turned the vise until I could feel that the press stud was pushed into place and the metal deformed around the stud to hold it in place. And this worked really well. It's the way I'm going to do it from now on. I won't need to spend $80 or $50 on a tool. I'll just use my bench vise and the little tool that comes in the pack. So when I was installing these using a hammer as the instructions on the box described you were supposed to do, and I hurt myself, I did try and modify what I was doing to avoid injury. So I was using pliers to hold the little cylindrical tool and use the hammer, but it was just really difficult to hold it steady and straight. And I found with these studs, for some reason, I had to hit them so hard. It was just ridiculous and dangerous, and it was deforming the stud before it even bent it up to hold it in place. So I just found this way was a much easier way to do it without an insane level of heavy hammering or deforming the studs or risk of injury to myself. So that's a little tip on what I did there, and hopefully you might get some use out of that as well. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.